A 20-year-old Honda CR-V with a 6-inch lift kit on 31-inch tires is completely pointless. Sending it over a jump or a creek crossing will surely break it, since it isn't built for off-road use. It's nothing more than a soccer mom's car on stilts. Or is it? To find out, we brought 5 HRG lifted vehicles to our official lift kit testing grounds in the middle of the woods. We have a 2.5-inch lifted Bronco Sport, a 1.5-inch lifted Mazda CX-5, a 3-inch lifted Subaru Forester, and of course the 6-inch lifted CR-V. And in case we get stuck, we brought the old faithful lifted Ford Explorer on 33s. At this point, we were all already impressed at how far the CX-5 made it, given that it is the least capable vehicle in this group. The thing with less capable vehicles is you rely on momentum a lot more than you do in a true 4x4. And that was what we ran into on this hill climb right here. So eventually, the inevitable happened.
I'm stuck. We were going too slow. This is where the trail ends for me.
So now we have to go down this trail in reverse. I can't really see.
Leave my car down here.
Backing down is way more difficult, man.
Oh, yeah.
So what do you hate the most about off-road?
Well, it's boring, muddy.
And it's not a video game.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, it's so much
It's
easier
like-
just to push up, down, left, right.
Yeah, that's helpful.
It's a
and-
challenge.
Yeah.
It's a challenge. And we're in the dark now, going down a trail we've never been down before. So walk us through your plan to get up this this trail right here. Let's hear it.
4 high. And the skinny pedal.
Hit it! Lifted CRV.
To that hill and I went, me, I'm never making it, man.
You're done.
Alright, I'm stuck.
Yeah, we're gonna pull you out of there. It'll be fine.
Oh my god.
I'd love to see you try again. I'll pull you back
If
out.
you'll let it out, if you'll let it off, I'll back up right here and I'll bomb it. If I could bomb it from like the Mazda, I think it would go.
All right.
I want to try. You're here to get me.
I just want to see it try. Hey, for the record, this is a terrible idea. Nope. That didn't help at all.
That was terrible. You gave it everything.
I mean, let's just be honest.
Oh my god. Hold there, hold it. You're good.
Hey,
Thanks for letting me
that
try.
was good,
again.
man. That was
Thanks,
good.
Thanks for letting me at least try. I wanted to just throw it up and see what the f it did.
Hey,
so.
you know what? If you said 100 more horsepower, you'd have been
It
fine.
might have.
Now at this point, all the real four-wheel drive vehicles have already made it up Failure Hill. So now it was the Bronco Sport's turn to try. And boy did I try. I gave it everything it had, full throttle, over and over again, and it was always the same problem with it losing power. Now this attempt was done in mud ruts mode with the traction control turned all the way off, and this is full throttle the entire time. It keeps taking away throttle. It's so annoying, man. Right when I get wheel speed up, it just goes away. Everything's turned off. So I tried it one more time in rock crawl mode, and the same thing happened. Oh, collision detected.
Unfortunately, you're just making it slicker every time.
I'm called sand mode works really well. You gotta brake boost it so you get a little bit of speed. For the win! We decided to give the CRV one more chance at redemption at a new obstacle that we call the Notch. Very steep approach and depart. If you're not lifted and big tires, you're not gonna make it.
Just go straight for the rut. Just go straight for the rut. Let's see.
Straight for the rut with all the throttle then. All right.
Let's see it.
All right.
Let's see it, he says.
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about!
The CRV made that look so easy, we decided to try it in the Exploder.
Yeah, she broke.
Oh my god, you guys.
Put her in drive.
Look, none of the numbers line up, okay? I'm sorry, you guys. I'm really like, I'm embarrassed.
Yeah, there you go.
Now, a true test of any vehicle is, will it land a jump?
I'll go faster if I can. Look, you gotta go way back there where it starts going down and just bomb it the whole way. I'm gonna go one more time.
All right.
Oh my God! Yes! It's still gonna be loose. Don't worry, I don't have a hook. Oh no, look! Hey, guess what? Guess what? Oh, the negative came off. It's cool.
6-inch beast kit for the win. With our testing complete, it was now time to go. Unfortunately, one car could not quite make it out. It's a whole ass ordeal right now. Not enough send to make front wheel drive come off this, dude. I mean, it's all right. It's all part of the story.
No, but you know what? He went out here and did it.
Yeah, dude. I mean, it was fun. How about you, Hayden? It's like you, Dad.
Ready?
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, look at straightened out my toe hook too.
Hell yeah!
All right, getting rid of this tomorrow. Tomorrow.
All that mud on it.
Yep. Tomorrow.
All right.
This thing.
I will let you know. Yeah, the trunk was open that whole time.
I noticed that.
Look how close I got to that tree. I wasn't looking, by the way. I was like just sending it, foot to the floor.
All right,
And it worked.
Go